What up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. Today we are on a special mission. We're going to take the 180 to Yokohama to buy a new car for the channel. Won't say anything else for now. Just gonna head out. We're gonna stop by at Daikoku. It's a Sunday morning right now. See what's going on there. Sunday mornings are usually pretty cool because all the guys gonna come out for cars and coffee. So we're gonna check that out and then gonna pick up a new car. Let's do it. Also, still in love with the look of the P1s in the front of this car. Can't wait to get the 17s in for the rear. Probably should arrive like today or tomorrow. And then it's gonna be even cooler. But yeah, let's head out. It's a beautiful summer morning out right now. It's not that humid, it's really nice. So I bet Daikoku gonna be a lot of fun today. A lot of people. Time to find out. So I'm super excited for the new project of the channel. Gonna be sick. First kind of like a project car in Japan. Gonna be nothing crazy. It's a pretty famous chassis over here in Japan. So you guys can probably guess it already. It's gonna be an Ebisu only car as well. But yeah, I'm excited. Gonna tell you more things about the car later when we pick it up. So let's go to Daikoku first. There's like not that many people, but a good like quantity of cars. Today it's packed. Damn, that's cool. You can already see the difference in like a Saturday night and Sunday morning. Let's see what is out here. Dude, look at these. Crazy. So cool. I've been following this guy on Instagram since years. When I first started modifying mine. Excited to see that car in person. Just made it out to Daikoku. And for real, I think if you want to come here, go to Daikoku and have the proper experience, you gotta come out on a Sunday morning. Those are for real the best. It's like the diversity of cars, people that are out here, so many like Japanese people, actual enthusiasts. It's so cool to see. But let's have a little walk around. And then we go pick up a new whip for the channel. Dude, just look at like the three cars that are standing right there. The 180, old Ferrari, E36. I think I've seen this before here, it's so cool. Gorgeous M3 Touring. So funny because I'm super into like the whole JDM scene and cars and whatever. But being out here now in Tokyo, I get super excited about the Europes, the Porsches, the BMWs. Just seeing what they make with them, the cars from back home. So cool to see. There's the homie, Alex pulling up. Whole row of Skylines, GTRs. Not only like this whole row, there's also a bunch of them on this side. Love the red on red. Super like classic and old school. What up, what up, what up? I parked like
I can see you right
back there, yeah. Okay, perfect. Even got a VIP build out here around this time, like a few. So sick. I grabbed the Mega Cup on accident. It's huge for Japan. Also got a clubhouse sandwich. What did you get? Coffee pancake.
Pancake, coffee, and a sandwich.
The sandal. Got the coffee. Look how big the cup is. Got the prime ribs out here today. This guy's really clean. The Mark II on R32 wheels. Sick. So clean.
Might be like the cleanest. This is a 993.
I can't even tell you.
Whatever it is immaculate.
Yeah. Who do you associate with?
The big blacks.
The big blacks?
Oh, that guy does not associate with the big blacks.
Is that your car?
Yeah, it's actually
Part of the gang?
It's named after somebody very big and dear to me.
Talking about diversity.
Whoa, look at this NSX. Rail sign.
Got a lifted K-Truck, Escalade, white body Miata, GTR. Crazy.
I've heard of that shop.
Sick. GTO. Done nicely. Big body bands out here as well. Going to Moon Ice Cafe now, get some lunch. It's so nice sitting in a car with AC.
You can smell the murders in the air.
You can see the house looks like it's burning up there.
I know. We're about to be grubbing.
It's like, I don't know, another really cool place in the Yokohama area. They got like a super nice shop for merchandise as well. I bet most of you guys know it already, or know Moon Ice in general. It's pretty cool. Oh shit, the effect. I like the crazy section of merchandise. It's so sick. But we are here for the cafe, for the food.
That's why they're closing. Yup.
Hey up. Let's do it. Just decided to leave the 180 here at Daikoku, where you're gonna take the homie's car. The van, the homie's Chris van. Then we're gonna go head out to check out the car again, purchase it, and then we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's go. That's it. That's the whip. We're gonna take care about the whole buying thing, about the purchase itself, and we're gonna talk about it. But it's definitely a project. Holy shit. This is gonna be funny. This gonna be funny. Look at the rear end. hoopty, holy shit. Right? It drives like fine, right?
I like it.
Fuck.
I want it.
Perfect beater. The rear end so smushed in, so funny. Hell yeah. I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of the car, what it actually looks like. It's pretty rough, but it drives perfectly fine, it runs fine. 1JZ turbo manual. Perfect missile.
It's got a turbo timer.
Are you excited to work on it?
Yeah.
Dude, we
Yeah.
we can make it sick. I think we can like fix it up like decently, right?
Yeah.
Easy. Also the whole reason, so we just purchased the car, but it's not mine, it's not Magania's. A friend of mine from Germany, his name is Chris, he bought the car. What?
I want to. If I could learn to slide on this, that'd be sick.
But yeah, we bought it for him. He's still in Germany. We're gonna build it for him here at the car shop, at the mechanic shop. We're gonna make it look nice, drive nice, proper like Ebisu missile. And then we drive it up to Ebisu, test it there. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna park it there and then Chris gonna fly over to Japan for fall Matsuri, and that's when you're gonna drive it for the first time. So it's not my car, not Magania's, but we're gonna build it on the channel, which is gonna be sick. So
I don't know why my video won't post on the group chat.
I saw it was like, yup.
I was like, fuck, bro, it didn't send.
Yeah, but wait, let me also show the inside. But yeah, I'm so excited for it. We're gonna like pull out the rear end, put over fenders on it, different like body kit, fix that, different wheels, put a roll cage on it. Yeah, bucket seats and a like steering wheel, and it's like perfect, like I don't know, missile, right? Came with like some confettis, like it's nothing crazy. Yeah, just a good street car. Pretty good. JZX90, hell yeah. But yeah, the car's like, wait. But yeah, so has pretty much the stock 1JZ, has like a little intake, front mount intercooler, and that's pretty much it. Runs stock boost. Super like simple, perfect for Ebisu to have some fun with. I don't know, I'm super excited for this. It's gonna be fun. Just building something really cool, drive it up to Ebisu, test it, and I don't know. I think it's gonna be some exciting videos as well, just working on it, trying to pull the rear end out, putting the cage in, like the whole before and after, gonna be insane. And yeah, we're gonna make it look nice on a budget as well. So gonna be nothing like crazy that you usually see on YouTube. Something like super basic. Fuck, and these guys can't get the fucking plate off.
Well, I got
Right.
so where'd it go? I got the fucking seal off or the cover.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah,
You just
on the
can't
can.
reach into it.
Yeah.
Fucking this girl took it.
Dude, for real, you can just like rip up the plastic maybe, because that bumper is fucking cooked. We can't really use it anyways.
Yeah.
You can like crack the plastic. I don't think it like really matters.
You sure?
Yeah, shout out Chris that is probably watching the video right now. We are sorry.
Yeah, that's what
Fucking up the car already. Damn, even has like the gold badges.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh, really kind of faded. Yeah, yeah, true. Just like remove it maybe. Yeah, it should be fine, right? Wait, careful. Yeah, or maybe.
Yeah, he's
Fuck.
gonna cut him.
I need to cut it.
One more?
One more.
That shit dog.
God damn.
Not cutting the wire.
Fuck. No. Or? Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, easy. Just leave it hanging or leave it sagging.
Oh shit.
Yeah. That's okay.
No.
Already pushed in. The good thing is all the JZX chassis, they're like super soft in the back. Dude, I think we can easily just pull this out and like, kick it out from the inside.
Back to the video. We didn't cut your bumper.
Yeah, we didn't kind of. Yeah. True. Okay. That's the new home for the JZX for the next few weeks, days, weeks. We're gonna work on it.
Yeah, we'll be in here.
Because the
That means you're gonna have to make trips down here.
car workshop's like right there. Dude, whenever you're free, I'm gonna come over and we can work on
You
it.
could do it from Wednesday all the way up until Sunday.
Easy.
Yeah.
Did you hear, Chris? This bitch gonna get fixed ASAP. And then, like I said, we also gonna film the whole thing. Us driving it up to Ebisu, driving it for the first time. And then Chris gonna store it up there as well. We're gonna leave the car there. Bye bye. See you soon. So you're excited, Magana?
Yeah. Dude, I was driving that thing. I was like, fuck, dude. I was like, I kind of want it.
Same.